Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. I am so excited to unbox this. Get ready to see what's on. Let's well, not on. Sorry, inside this box. We got the tape out of the way. And yeah, whatever. Oh my god. This is the radio we will be unboxing. This is very interesting. It looks very yellow. On the inside! What? Oh my god. Bro, no way! What is this? The owner's manual. Nice. Well, I'm gonna go plug it in. It turns on. Oh my god, it works! Yes! This is amazing. Oh, it sort of tested it. Stopped. Oh, it's very dim. I'm gonna siren test it later. Maybe sometime. Not right now, because it's a little late for that. Oh my god. It works. I'll see if I can get this off after the video. So let's just... Wait! Okay. Okay. That's kind of weird. Low battery, yeah, I know. What the? This is not working. What the? This is interesting. Here okay. I'm gonna have to read the manual. Hold on. Setting the year. That is very interesting. Set month. December. November. Actually, my birthday is in November. That's pretty cool. Set day 1. I really don't know what this is for. Time zone. Hold on. Alright. I'm doing this a little gentle, because, I've heard about the way setting this up can be. I'll be right back when I'm done. Alright, so I've set the time. So far so good. Actually, oh my god, I actually have a first alert. Okay, I just can't help myself but to be super excited when I get such a very decent weather radio. I mean, it's kind of decent so far. I mean, you do want to be gentle with it, but I've not really been frustrated with it at all. There we go. I am confused. I'll be right back. If I turn on the radio. Yeah, it's not working. Strange. It's not beeping. It's weird. Alright. That should be good. Weird. I'm gonna have to check out with that. I mean, hopefully it will work when it goes off. Like, yeah. So far, I'm not hearing anything. Do you have to hold it down? No. It's just not beeping. That, like, so far I'm just confused with this button right here, but otherwise, I'm okay. I mean, it's not like I have to play weather on this specific radio, and even if something like that happens, um you know, it'll be okay because it will still go off for alerts, I think. So I can't check the reception right now, but hopefully it'll be good. I mean, I'll have to check on that later, but I'm gonna see if there's anything else I want to set up. Set up locations. Never mind. I'm okay. I'm okay. Okay, I'm gonna go back. This thing is kind of complicating, so I'm gonna, yeah. No, I wanna. No. I'll be right back when I'm done with that. Damn watch. Alright, I set up the blockings and everything. So now we'll go off. Still gonna try figuring that situation out. Don't worry about it. I'll get it worked out. One of my friends actually knows somebody that can fix it anyway. So guys, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. I hope I can catch some really cool alerts on this thing. And yeah, I'll get everything prepared and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.